Hello, I'm Steve, and I'd like to introduce you to the FarmMate, a dual-wheel drive e-bike made by Lantu. This e-bike is incredible, it offers a ton of speed and power. Come along with me, let me show you what I mean. The bike features front and rear 750-watt Bafang motors. I'm loving the big battery at 48-volt 20 ampere-hour, providing a total capacity of 960 watt-hours. Additionally, its rear shock absorber can switch between single and double modes, allowing for greater adaptability. Other components on the bike are also of exceptional quality. The 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes are responsive and the pads are 2.3 mm thick. The bike has a 3.5-inch color display with an improved USB charging port. Different from the previous complex combination buttons. Now you only need to use a button to choose which motor to use. Dual-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, front-wheel drive. Unlike other bicycles, the brakes on our bicycle are not ordinary styles, but they are extended. You can easily put your hand, which improves safety. The bikes are fitted with CST Scout Mope-style tires, known for their excellent grip when navigating twists and turns. I particularly enjoy the design of the motorcycle-style headlight. It's a really nice, comfortable saddle that feels quality like a true motorcycle seat. At the same time, we also have different versions to choose from. Another bicycle in the video is equipped with 500-watt Bafang motor, and it is also equipped with front baskets and rear racks. Of course, we can also provide other accessories, such as turn signals, rear view mirror. Alright, the basic configuration of FarmMate is finished. I can't wait to ride it to walk around. Let's go. Wow! That's absolutely wonderful, crazy bike. It allows you to accelerate instantly, like a beast. The bike is so solid and planted feeling that makes me feel almost like I'm on the motorcycle, not on an e-bike. The braking performance and shock absorption effect are awesome. This e-bike is too great. Too comfortable. Too solid feeling. Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed our review, and if you like our video, why don't you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you here next time.